Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular video shows you how to work the Blip-Free right-leaning crossed double decrease in double knitted brioche. The first thing we're going to have to do is insert the tip of the right needle purlwise into the front of the first stitch with its yarn over, the third stitch with its yarn over, and the fifth stitch with its yarn over, missing out the second and fourth stitches entirely. Then we're going to slide the left needle out of these 5 stitches with their yarn overs, and the second and fourth stitches with their yarn overs will pop free at the back of the work. There they go. Before they go anywhere, slide the tip of the left needle straight back in to those second and fourth stitches, and now we've got our knit stitches with the yarn overs on the front and our purl stitches with the yarn overs on the back. We're going to slip one stitch with its yarn over purlwise through the back leg from the right needle to the left. That means going in with the needle tip behind the stitch and slipping it purlwise through the back legs like that. Do the same with the second stitch like I just have, and the third stitch there. Tilting the work towards me, I'm going to insert the tip of the right needle into the back of just the 3 yarn overs, 1, 2, and 3, like so. Then I'm going to slide the tip of the left needle out of all 6 of those strands, like that. And then I'm going to slide it back into the 3 stitches like that. That's successfully managed to separate the stitches from their yarn overs. I'm going to slip the 3 yarn overs without their stitches purlwise from the right needle to the left. And there they all are. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm now going to slip 2 yarn overs without their stitches together and purlwise through the back legs from the left needle to the right. So the tip of the right needle is going to go all the way behind them, go into 2 of those yarn over strands together. This one gets a bit fiddly, and slip them across to the right needle. And then I'm going to go and slip the 3rd yarn over strand also purlwise through the back leg, like so. Then I'm going to do the same with the 3 stitches. So 2 of them at first, I'm going to slip purlwise through the back legs, going behind them like that, into both coming towards you and slipping them across from the left needle to the right. And then I'm going to work on slipping the final stitch also purlwise through the back leg over from the left needle to the right. I'm going to slip all 6 strands purlwise from the right needle to the left. Oh, there they go, like that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is, using my knit coloured yarn, I'm going to knit all 6 of those strands together through the front leg. There we are, like that. Then I'm going to work my yarn over manoeuvre, taking the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle and bringing it to the front, coming between the 2 needles. Then I'm going to bring the knit coloured yarn to the front of the work, coming between the 2 needles like that. I'm going to insert the tip of the right needle purlwise into the front of just the first 3 yarn overs without their stitches on the left needle, missing out the stitches completely. So that's my 3 brown strands here, 1 and 2 and 3. There you can see there's just 3 yarn overs on the front needle. I'm going to take the left needle out of these 6 strands, and the 3 stitches will pop free at the back. There they are. And then I slide the left needle back into those stitches before they can go anywhere, and slip the 3 yarn overs without the stitches purlwise from the right needle to the left, like that. I'm going to slip 2 yarn overs together and knitwise from the left needle to the right, like that there. And then I'm going to slip the 3rd yarn over also knitwise from the left needle to the right. Then I slip 2 stitches together from the left needle to the right, and then I slip the final stitch knitwise again from the left needle to the right. All of those slips, by the way, were just done knitwise. Then I slip all of these 6 strands together and purlwise from the right needle to the left. And I'm going to, using my pearl coloured yarn, purl all of these 6 strands together purlwise through the back leg. So I'm going to take the tip of my right needle all the way around the back and come in through all 6 strands together, purling them together as one with my pearl coloured yarn. Then I finish everything by taking my knit coloured yarn to the back of the work. Here you can see the 3 columns of the brown knit stitches coming together. The centre stitch goes to the back and the left one sits on top, making this decrease lean to the right. And on the back of the work, the same, yet the opposite is true. 3 columns of stitches come together, the centre column of stitches goes to the back, and this time it's the right stitch sitting on top, making it lean to the left on this side. And as you can see, there's not a colour blip in sight. And that is the Blip-Free right leaning crossed double decrease in double knitted brioche. Zip!